Hello YouTube. Okay, now I want to create a database, right? Okay, first time to start some pp. Okay, I think it's okay. Time to localhost, create phpmyadmin. Okay, we wait to loading. Okay, I want to create a new database. We give name to spell tag, right? Same to the folder. For tag. Okay. After that, I want to create a database table. I want to create admin. I think 4 column enough, or more maybe. Admin, ID admin, name admin, email admin, password admin. Okay, I think I want to add new column, 2 column, image admin, that admin. This integer, this is varchar. I think 99 is enough to for name. Email, okay, and 9 password admin, varchar, okay, and 9, okay, image admin, varchar 999, okay, visit time that, right? Time that is primary. Click go, click auto increment. Okay, save. Okay, I want to create a new table for to logo ID logo, this is name logo, this is img logo, this is date logo, type integer, varchar, I think name logo 6666, varchar 9999, this is type date. Click here, primary key, go auto increment, click save. Okay, I want to create a 2 table again, data, cat. The first time I want to create a cat. What mean cat? Cat category, but I want to sort name only cat, ID cat, name cat, visit that cat, integer, name cat, varchar like that. This is primary key, go, set, click auto increment. Okay, click save, and once again I want to create part2 data table, data ID data, close, ID admin, ID get. I want to add maybe 4. Okay, this is ID data admin, title, description, PMG data, okay, I think it's enough, right? PMG data and that data, type that, type voucher 99999. Now, alright, for the description I want to text, and title I want to voucher 9999. This is voucher ID category, only 99. ID admin voucher 99. ID data integer. This is click primary key, go. Okay, click auto increment here. Okay, I want to check again. ID data, ID admin, ID cat, title, description, image data, data. Okay, I think it's true. Okay, click save. Okay, click OK. Okay, it's true. Okay guys, I think this is enough for today, and tomorrow I want to show you how to select data from database. Okay, thank you guys.